NVIDIA stock up 0.82%. This is the pre-market session of Tuesday, the 8th of July, 2025. Its current market dynamics present a compelling case study in how multiple competing factors can simultaneously drive both optimism and caution among investors. NVIDIA insiders, including Jensen Huang, the CEO, have sold over 1 billion shares, $1 billion worth of shares over the past year, creating a paradox for retail investors. While insider selling is often viewed as a bearish signal, the timing coincides with the stock reaching new highs and the company's strongest financial performance in its history. This creates uncertainty about whether executives are taking profits at peak valuations or genuinely concerned about future headwinds. Or rather, Wall Street analysts remain divided over the stock's fair value. The 43 analysts covering the stock have a consensus rating of strong buy and an average price target of $176.41. We have Ananda Baruah of Loop Capital with a projection of around $250. This wide range of targets, from the conservative estimates around $150 to aggressive projections of 250, reflects the challenge of valuing a company at the center of the AI revolution. The regulatory landscape presents perhaps the most significant uncertainty for NVIDIA. The company missed out on an additional $2.5 billion in revenue because export restrictions prevented it from shipping its H2O AI chips to China. Uh, while tighter US government controls on exports of computer chips used for AI will cost it an extra $5.5 billion. These restrictions directly impact NVIDIA's largest growth markets, creating an ongoing overhang despite the company's strong domestic and international demand. What's particularly noteworthy is NVIDIA's ability to maintain momentum despite these challenges. The stock has demonstrated remarkable resilience, with traders viewing each regulatory setback as a temporary rather than structural. This resilience suggests that AI demand may be so robust that geopolitical restraints, while painful, don't fundamentally undermine the investment thesis. Trading communities are split between those who see current levels as unsustainable given the headwinds and those who view any pullback as a buying opportunity. The bear case focuses on valuation concerns, regulatory risks, and the cyclical nature of semiconductor demand. The bull case emphasizes NVIDIA's technological moat, the structural shift toward AI computing, and the company's ability to innovate around regulatory constraints. The tension between short-term volatility and long-term growth prospects encapsulates the broader challenge facing growth stock investors in 2025. While tariff concerns and export restrictions create immediate headwinds, the underlying demand for AI infrastructure continues to accelerate across enterprise, cloud, and consumer applications. The stock's performance relative to broader market volatility suggests that institutional investors view NVIDIA as a defensive play within the technology sector, despite its stock characteristics. This positioning reflects the belief that AI infrastructure spending will continue regardless of broad economic conditions, making NVIDIA's revenue streams more predictable than traditional cyclical technology companies. The current trading environment around NVIDIA thus serves as a microcosm of broader market sentiment across technology leadership, geopolitical risks, and the sustainability of AI driven growth in an increasingly complex global regulatory environment. So yeah, stock is doing phenomenally well. If it gets to $165, if it gets to $163.9, then it will clock $4 trillion. It will clock $4 trillion. So it's gradually marching towards that. High prices based on this 4-hour chart is indicating that we are going to see strength remain in place up till Thursday, the 10th of July. After that, we might see a slight consolidation going all the way towards slight consolidation for let's see now for okay between Monday the 14th and Tuesday the 15th, and then after that the the uptrend resumes. In terms of projections, what do we have? We have beginning from the list we have here, we have 147.74, 149.68, 152.80, 168.37, 174.97, 179.04. This is on its 4-hour chart. We can have a look at its daily chart as well. On the daily chart, okay, the extrapolation is for lower prices to keep printing up till Wednesday, the 30th of July, and then after that, we will resume an uptrend that will take it to higher highs, fresh new highs. So right now, for the rest of this month, lower prices are expected. So what is left of this month is what is extrapolated for the rest of this month is a distributive contraction. And after that, okay, that contraction is expected to end by Wednesday, the 30th of July, and then after that, we are from the 31st Thursday. Then we have another leg up till to new highs, all time highs by Friday, the 8th of July. But all of these are just extrapolations. No guarantee that that will be the case. We have nothing to the upside on this daily chart, 134.4, 141.12. Let's glance at the daily chart and see, on the weekly chart and see. On the weekly chart, we have same distributive contraction expected to remain in place up till Monday, the 8th of December. You know, those are just extrapolations. No guarantee that that will be the case. We have a downward projection of 149.06, upper projection of 172.91, 187.65. Yeah, so see what you make of NVIDIA stock. Um, what's the title of this again? Current market dynamics present a compelling case study in how multiple competing forces can simultaneously drive both optimism and caution among investors. See what you make of NVIDIA stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.